Lorex Connect U-Series 8-channel 4K NVR system. Honest review, real-world results, and setup. Have you ever opened your phone to check an urgent security alert only to watch a spinning buffer wheel while the crucial moment vanishes? It is an exhausting feeling. You invest in property protection, yet you end up battling unreliable battery cameras, dropped wireless signals, and endless monthly cloud subscription fees that quietly drain your hard-earned wallet. You deserve unwavering reliability and crystal clear visual evidence without paying ongoing digital rent. Take a breath and look closely at what genuine home protection truly requires today. Think about the daily friction of typical consumer cameras. Every few weeks, you are dragging out heavy ladders to recharge dying batteries. You constantly juggle false alarms triggered by swaying tree branches or passing insects, leaving you numb to real threats. Then, when an actual incident happens, the footage is often pixelated, choppy, or locked behind an expensive cloud paywall. Worse yet, an internet hiccup leaves your entire perimeter completely blind. That quiet worry never truly leaves you. You find yourself constantly checking your phone during family dinners or while trying to sleep, wondering if your home is secure. It is frustrating to spend good money only to feel like a tired technician managing fragile gadgets instead of enjoying true security. But securing your property does not have to be an endless chore filled with constant compromise. There is a much smarter, hardwired way to protect every single asset you value around the clock. Here's what actually works. The Lorex Connect U-Series 8-channel 4K NVR system delivers uncompromised commercial-grade authority right to your property. Don't just pick any wired surveillance system. Make sure it has continuous local PoE recording so you never experience missing critical evidence during cloud outages again. One single Ethernet cable powers each durable 2K plus bullet camera while streaming smooth, lag-free video directly to an 8-channel 4K recorder. It just works. Inside, a pre-installed 2TB surveillance hard drive quietly captures weeks of continuous footage without demanding a single dime in recurring monthly subscriptions. Ask yourself, why keep renting access to your own security? Advanced onboard artificial intelligence actively differentiates between people, vehicles, and faces, instantly filtering out false alarms so you only receive alerts that matter. When an intruder approaches, vivid red and blue deterrence lights activate immediately to stop threats before they escalate. Meanwhile, the fanless recorder keeps your office or living room dead silent thanks to passive cooling vents. You gain effortless multi-camera sequencing, pinpoint smart search by object color, and complete expandability up to 10 terabytes whenever your property needs grow. Real peace of mind is finally here for you to keep. The proof behind this hardware speaks for itself across real installations. Industry analysts at CCTV Info highlighted its prosumer-level build and smart detection capabilities, while WC Safety praised its continuous local recording for completely eliminating subscription fees. In customer testing, related Lorex systems earned a strong 4.4 out of 5 rating from nearly 200 verified reviews, specifically celebrating sharp night vision and dependable motion alerts. Professional installers frequently note that running a single PoE line makes deployment remarkably clean. Reliability matters. When I personally tested the fanless NVR on a desk, the silence was truly incredible. No whining cooling fans, just solid, cool, passive performance day and night. Homeowners consistently report that having instant access through the Lorex Connect app and direct HDMI monitor output gives them total confidence. You get verified commercial-grade surveillance backed by authentic, field-tested performance you can genuinely trust. You can finally leave behind monthly camera subscriptions, dead batteries, and unreliable wireless signals for good. Upgrading to a dedicated, hardwired 4K NVR system gives your family or business the uninterrupted protection and clarity you have always wanted. Take control. Join thousands already living this reality and securing their properties with unyielding local reliability. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it. Just click and see for yourself. Explore the full system specs at your own pace and take the first easy step toward lasting security and complete peace of mind today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.